What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Got some new cars for review. Prairie Shadows Model Railway Company. New to me. Already checked them out. Very cool stuff. Contact information right there. Also, I'll put link to our Facebook group. You can contact Rob directly. So I have this hopper. I have this. Okay, and I'm going to show you this because the gray on that white background will be better and cyan. Here we go. So very cool stuff. I like the package. Sometimes it's hard to open, but it's better for transportation issues of not good packaging. So here we go. The pamphlet, actually I'll show you here, right there. So here we go. Okay, I like that thing cover. It's very nice over the full length, and it just sits perfectly. You can use it actually to pull it because it's very easy to do. This package is very nice and solid. So here we go. I already checked, make sure nothing like sticks out, you know, and just be careful. Paint job is unbelievable, and it's so good. All prints, you can read everything. Trucks, nice. And there are some kind of 3D dimension letters on trucks as well, so very nice. Not huge details means in general in those cars, but here we go. That end looks like amazing. All that stuff. Hoses, you probably can paint. And if you're going to weather, maybe just dull coat of those shiny letters here. But that's only one my not really concerned, just like point. Very nice, see through everything. Gorgeous details. Pipes on the bottom. Yeah, I always thinking to get like two car stuff like this for collection, one for display actually, one sitting like upside down, the other sitting like normal, so you can see all details, and very cool. So that will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.